Yeah, one's just one side. We'll bend the big side up. So today we're doing 7.3 custom body work, fixing this whole B pillar here on the door. As you can see, it's quite rusted. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of patching with some sort of steel and a little bit of weldy, and we should be good. So. Also, Sparkman is working on the dirty windshield. He's gonna put some Flex Seal on it. So that'll be fun. The fab is completed. So we had Master Welder Cleetus Klansman welder up nice. Painted it.
No more shaking.
Nice fabrications. The B pillar will not shake anymore. Looks very nice, buddy.
All professionally put back together.
All professionally factory put back together. Everything's up to spec. All the torque specs were factory. The Flex Seal job's doing pretty good too. That doesn't look bad, buddy. We'll see how good Phil Swift really sells that Flex Seal. See how good he actually is.
With a shaft.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, custom fab, I'd say it was like a 9 out of 10, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, the body line for the driver's door isn't the best, but the rear door is pretty much as mint as we can get it. So, weldy.